This is our volcano! Yay! This is newspaper. This is plastic bottle. This is cake. This is cake. This is a plastic board. We tape the plastic bottle. We roll the newspaper. We put the box here. We soak the newspaper in the glue. We have to wait until it's dry. I am painting the river. I'm painting green, light green, for grass. Painting the grass. I am painting grass. What I grass. It is baking soda. This is vinegar. The water in the volcano. I put baking soda in the volcano. This is a volcano eruption. 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 This is the volcano eruption.